Oh, yep, I see that all the time. Yeah, I see this often. Car doesn't see the bike coming up in his rear view, probably doesn't even look. Doesn't turn his blinker on and then just cuts right across into the motorcycle. Fortunately here, motorcycle, he's got great gear. Certainly doesn't mean he's okay. I've seen a lot of people pop right up after an accident and they have broken spines or broken knees. Don't go engage with the driver that hit you. They probably didn't see you. It probably wasn't intentional. Make sure you get their info, get the cops out there. The other thing he can do is make sure to get this dash cam footage. Make sure someone pulls off to witness for him.